This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vivian Lugo CDPE, MBA. Fabulous brand new, never lived home in the beautiful new gated community of Manatee Cove. The Mystique open floor plan is one of the most popular floors plans, and offers just over 2,000 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, quartz kitchen island with plenty of cabinetry, a 2-car garage, screened lanai, large open backyard with views of a peaceful preserve. Master bedroom has large walk-in closet, separate toilet closet, linen closet, dual sinks, separate tub and shower. Large laundry room with sink. And plenty of storage. Manatee Cove offers a beautiful pool area with a fire pit for the occasional cool night in winters. Available immediately. For more information, review the details below.